Hello student, good morning. Today we will discuss question number 11, 12 and 13 of page number 221. Hello student, good morning. The question is that the question number 11, three resistance are given each of 6 ohm. How can you combine these resistance? That resultant resistance will be 9 ohm and 4 ohm. If we combine all three are in series or parallel, we can't get 9 ohm and 4 ohm. But here solution is given. To get 9 ohm, we can connect two resistor of 6 ohm in parallel and one is in series. Okay, to get 9 ohm, we connect two resistors of 6 ohm in parallel and one in series. Figure is drawn this type, two are parallel and one in series. Resultant resistance of parallel resistance equal to 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 equal to 2 by 6 equal to 1 by 3. Rp equal to 3 ohm. Okay, Rp equal to 3 ohm. Resistance of the parallel 3 ohm. Now new figure is like this, which is related to above. Both are in series, then required resistance equal to 3 plus 3 ohm plus 6 ohm equal to 9 ohm. It is the answer. Now next question, next part. To get 4 ohm, we connect two resistors of 6 ohm in series and third in parallel. To get 4 ohm, we connect two resistors of 6 ohm in series and third in parallel. Okay. Now figure is drawn like this, where one is parallel and two are in series. Now resultant resistance of series equal to Rs equal to 6 plus 6 equal to 12 ohm, and the new figure will be drawn like this, which is related from the figure above figure, and 1 by R or 1 by required resistance equal to 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12. LCM will be 12. 2 plus 1 equal to 3 by 12, and 1 by R equal to 1 by 4, and R equal to 4 ohm. Okay. Then for 9 ohm, two resistance are in parallel and one in series, and for 4 ohm, okay, in question number 12, 220 volt electric supply line and several bulbs are connected, which is rated as 10 watt. Now question is that how many lamps can be connected in parallel with each other across the two wire of 220 volt line. The maximum allowable current is 5 ampere. Then give what is given. V equal to 220 volt and power of each bulb equal to 10 watt. P equal to VI, I equal to P by V, and power equal to 10 by 220. Then single bulb, the current flow through a single bulb equal to 1 by 22 ampere. Current passing through each bulb equal to 1 by 22 ampere. Okay, now let total number of bulbs let total number of bulb is n. If 1 by 22 ampere current passes from one bulb, then total current passing through n bulb will be n by 22 ampere. N by 22 ampere. Okay. The maximum allowable current equal to 5 ampere, which is given. And now according to question, n by 22 equal to 5 ampere, n equal to 22 into 5 equal to 110 and 110 ampere. So total number of bulb equal to 110. Total number of bulb equal to 110. Okay, what we do at first, we have to find in this problem the current passing from a single bulb. Current passes from a single bulb. Okay, and after that let the total number of bulb equal to n and find the total number of bulb. Okay, clear? Understand? Okay, now next question. Question number 13. Question number Okay, now question number 13. A hot plate of an electric oven is connected to a 220 volt line and have two resistance coils A and B, each of 24 ohm. This coil is used either separately, series or parallel. What are the current in these three cases? Okay, first case, when used in separately. When used separately, which is given V equal to 220 volt and R equal to 24 ohm. Now V equal to IR, I equal to V by R equal to 220 by 24 and I equal to 9.2 ampere approx. Okay, what is approx, not exact. Now again, second case, when used in series. When used in series, let us find resultant resistance when in series. Rs equal to 24 plus 24 equal to 48 ohm. V equal to 220 volt. V equal to IR. V equal to IR. I equal to V by R and equal to 220 by 48 equal to 4.6 ampere approx. Third case, when used in parallel. When used in parallel. When connected in parallel or used in parallel. One by Rp equal to 1 by 24 plus 1 by 24 equal to 2 by 24, that means 1 by 12, and Rp equal to 12 ohm, and V equal to 220 volt, V equal to IR, I equal to V by R, and 220 by 12 approx 18.3 ampere. When used in separately, the answer is the current pass through 9.2 ampere. When in series, the current pass